Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing your project so calls will authenticate. Create or pick a Google Cloud project, enable billing, and turn on the Cloud Translation API. Then create a service account and download the JSON key. Once done, set the environment variable Google application credentials to that JSON path so gcloud and client libraries can find it. Make sure to limit key permissions to the translation role. This gets you immediate, authenticated access, so you can move straight into code or the REST endpoints. You now integrate the client library into your app. Import the translator client, initialize it using the default credentials, and construct a translate call with input text, source and target language codes, and model selection if needed. Once you send the request, parse translated text and detected language. Make sure to handle quotas and rate limits by batching or using asynchronous jobs for high volume. Also, sanitize inputs to avoid injection and monitor usage in the Cloud Console to control cost and performance. You finish by deploying with the credentials and configuration properly set in your environment. Verify the service account has minimal needed IAM roles. Once live, monitor translations, latency, and costs, and set budget alerts. If something breaks, start troubleshooting by confirming the API is enabled, billing is active, and the service account key matches the deployed env. Also check IAM permissions and quota errors. Fixing those resolves most issues. If persistent, rotate keys and reauthorize clients to refresh credentials.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.